Hello people and welcome back to Space Agent. Today we are going to see the moon this week at midnight EST on Tuesday night, 5 o'clock GMT on Wednesday. The moon will officially reach its new phase. While new, the moon is traveling between the Earth and the Sun. Since sunlight can only reach the far side of the moon, and the moon is in the same region of the sky as the Sun, the moon becomes completely hidden from view for about a day. The waxing crescent moon will begin to shine in a darker sky from Friday evening onward. Though the rest of this week, the moon will wax progressively fuller and climb higher in the western evening sky while it makes a trip to the modest stars of Aquarius. Keep an eye out for Earthshine or the ashen glow. While sunlight reflects off clouds and the Pacific Ocean, it slightly illuminates the rest of the moon's disk. Some call this phenomenon the old moon in the new moon's arms. I'll send a link in the description below about this. The bright planet. This is a big week for fans of Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury. Although Mercury and Saturn will be a challenge to see within the twilight, you should be able to locate Jupiter first and then seek out the other two planets. The trio will easily fit into the field of view of binoculars, but ensure that the sun has completely vanished below the horizon before using any optics. The three planets will set at about 6 p.m. in your local time zone. Mars continues to be well positioned for observing during the evening, either as a bright reddish star to your unaided eyes or as a tiny round disk in telescopes. This week, the planet will already be shining high in the southern sky after dusk. Mars will climb to its highest point and best viewing position at about 7 p.m. local time. Look for the brightest stars of Eris, Brighter Hamal, magnitude 2.0, and Shiratan, magnitude 2.6, sitting at a first diameter above Mars. Mars is steadily moving east along the ecliptic. On the nights around January 19, the red planet will pass very close to blue-green Uranus, which is also among the stars of southern Aries. At magnitude 5.7, Uranus is within reach of backyard telescopes, binoculars, and even sharp unaided eyes, especially when the bright moon is not in the evening sky. In a telescope, Uranus will resemble the stars near it, but the planet won't twinkle as much as it will shine with a blue-green tint. On Thursday, Uranus will stop moving compared to the distant stars because it will be completing a westward retrograde loop that began in mid-August. From Friday onwards, the planet will begin to move eastward again. Treats in Taurus. January evenings feature a group of bright and distinctive constellations that are easy to recognize with unaided eyes, and which make winter nights in the southern hemisphere worth waiting for. They include Taurus, Orion, Auriga, and Gemini. The winter Milky Way passes through those constellations, populating them with countless delights to view in binoculars or backyard telescopes on moonless nights. The distinctive constellation of Taurus is perfectly placed for evening exploration in January. It is already halfway up the eastern sky when darkness falls, and it crosses the sky for almost the entire night. Taurus in the night sky. I'll put a link in the description below. And I'll put a link for this article in the description below. Now, the duo. The conjunction of the moon and Mercury. The young waxing crescent moon and Mercury will shine close in the sky the next several days. On January 14, 2021 at 3:14 a.m. EST, 8:14 GMT, the one-day-old moon will pass 2 degrees 19 to the south of the speedy little planet. Our natural satellite will be at a magnitude of -8.3 and Mercury will shine at a magnitude of -0.9. You'll find them dancing among the stars of the constellation Capricornus. You'll need clear skies and obstructed horizon to witness this spectacular astronomical duo. However, it will be rather challenging to see the slender lunar crescent, and the elusive planet will pop into view in the dusk after sundown and then follow the sun beneath the horizon before nightfall. You can try to see both objects with an unaided eye, and don't worry if you miss the duo on January 14. Try again on the following days when the brighter lunar crescent will stay out longer above the horizon. Let the illuminated side of the crescent moon be your guide. It will help you to find Mercury as it points to the speedy planet, or simply use the astronomical app StarWalk 2 to locate the moon Mercury. Tap the magnifier icon, type in moon or Mercury, select the corresponding search result, and StarWalk 2 will show you their exact position. Watch for elusive Mercury. These days, Mercury is the second brightest star of the night sky. Only the brilliant star Sirius outshines the little planet. However, the sun sets afterglow might interfere with the observation of Mercury as it shines close to the horizon after sundown. If you can't see this little planet with the naked eye, binoculars will help you get a better view. According to the Canadian astronomer Chris Vaughan, Mercury will become more easily visible every night this week, especially between about 5:30 p.m. and 6 p.m. local time. The speedy planet will move farther away from the setting sun day by day and reach its greatest eastern elongation on January 24th, 2021. In the next few weeks, you can enjoy the favorable apparition of Mercury at evening dusk. Now, the first comet of 2021. The year 2021 has only just started, and scientists already discovered a new comet that might become the brightest of this year. In today's article, we'll talk in detail about comet C/2021 A1 Leonard. What is Comet Leonard? On January 3, 2021, an American astronomer, Gregory J. Leonard, discovered a new comet at the Mount Lemmon Observatory in Arizona, USA. It was named C/2021 A1 Leonard. The letter C means non-periodic comet, and 2021 A1 indicates that it was the first comet discovered in the first half of January 2021. A specific feature of Comet Leonard is its incredible speed, about 70 kilometers. It's moving 6 kilometers faster than last year's comet Neowise. Due to such speed, the comet's position in the sky will be changing every day when you observe it from the Earth. Comet Leonard has a hyperbolic trajectory, which means that it will cross the solar system only once and then move far away from us and will never come back. So you'll only have one chance to see it. How to see Comet Leonard? Unfortunately, to observe Comet C/2021 A1 Leonard, you'll have to wait almost a whole year. This comet will get closer to the Earth and will be best visible on December 12, 2021, passing by our planet at a distance of 34 million kilometers or 21 miles. After reaching the closest point to the Earth, Comet Leonard will also pass quite close to Venus, 4.2 million kilometers or 2.6 million miles. By the way, in the history of astronomy, only 5 comets have been closer to the Earth than Comet Leonard will be to Venus. The comet is currently too dim to be observed even through telescopes. However, in December 2021, it might reach naked eye visibility, shining with a magnitude of 5 or 4. On top of that, as Comet Leonard will be positioned between the Sun and the Earth, its magnitude can even reach 1.5 due to the effects of forward scattering. You can take a look at the graph showing the estimated development of this comet's magnitude here. If you live in the northern mid-latitudes, you can start observing Comet Leonard already in September. It will be slowly passing near the constellations of Ursa Major, Canis Venatici, and Coma Berenices. In the first half of December, the comet can be seen near the constellations Bootes, Serpens, Hercules, and Ophiuchus. After that, it will move into the southern celestial hemisphere. It's too early to say if Comet Leonard provides a spectacular astronomical show by the end of 21, but let's hope for it. After all, that's what we love about comets, their ability to keep us on the edge of our seats, always waiting for a pleasant surprise. Happy clear skies and happy stargazing. Bye. See you next time. See you soon. Bye.
The next day.